Everybody. Hello everybody. Today we have a glazing day. So here it is. Flowers. That's a lid for something that Gil made, my student, that Kochi made. Beautiful. Oh? Very nice. Okay. Now if you saw my latest video, you saw that I'm making keychains for my mom's hospital for the nurses and doctors and whatever. So here it is. That's one. Ah, beautiful. Birds. Kochi made them. Nice, no? Okay. I'm gonna put here. Wow. Look at that. Come here. Look at that. Nice. That's also nice. It's a caterpillar. Kochi made it. Oh, it broke. Ooh. I don't know why it broke. Oh, completely. Well, I don't know. Isn't that cute? Don't ask me what this is because I don't know. It's just a figure. That's one of my kids' student made. Kochi made it. Beautiful. Okay. Okay. Now, here. This one here. Well. One of my students made it. Her name is Kira. She made it for her father. Nice. I like it. Colorful. That's my kid student made. That also. Nice. Alright. Oh, Gil made it. Beautiful. Very thin, very nice, very light. This is the kid student made. He likes football. So that's handmade. Two. What do you think? Nice. My little tiny elephant. I made it. That Gil made. That glaze, I don't know why it happens, but I think it's beautiful. It's something green that it doesn't agree with the clay, I think. That's why it happens. Ooh, that is a little tiny butterfly. Kira made it. Okay, and that that's a part of a mushroom that broke in Kochi's house, so she made another one that, I don't know. All right. Now, let's move on to this. Wow. What do you think?
It's pretty.
Pretty. That's for the hospital. That's like the veins and the blood cells, white, red, yellow, and this is what I wrote for them. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.